So today I'm going to be showing you how to get beautiful, soft, sexy feet at home super fast. Alright, so here's what you'll need. You can always swap out similar items if you don't have this. But first is Epsom salt. It's so important to detoxify your feet. It also has an amazing smell. I prefer getting a scented one that will make your feet smell amazing for a long time. Then you're going to be needing some sort of tool for your feet. I like to use a file. I recommend a buffer, a brush. If you can find something like this, I found it at Walmart for like $2. It's amazing and it has everything you need, or you can just buy them separately. You'll also be needing a really thick moisturizing lotion, something you wouldn't put on your face, something you'd only put on your body or your feet. I like to get this Eucerin Original Healing one. It can be any lotion. If you can go get something, I recommend getting something that's really thick and deeply moisturizing. One of the most important things to make your feet look beautiful and soft is this file. I showed you a smaller one earlier, but something like this is worth investing in. It makes such a difference. It buffs away all your wrinkles, your callus, your dry spots, any kind of roughness. It literally just files it away. I also recommend a nail file if you want to file and shape your nails and then paint them. Mine are already painted, but you can use these steps on fresh, clean nails and then paint them after. Now, last but not least, you'll be needing some big cozy socks because when we put the lotion on, it's going to be like a deep setting treatment. So you really want to make sure you cover your feet with thick socks so that it can absorb all the moisture and keep it insulated within the socks. It's time to start the process. You can do this in a bathtub, in a sink, in a to-go little carton, whatever works for you. I like to first fill my tub with medium to hot water. You don't want it burning, but you don't want it too cold. You really want it to soften your feet, so you want to do a hotter setting. Then when I have enough water in the tub, I like to add about a cup of Epsom salt so it can detox and smell good. Then I'm going to be starting with this little gadget I showed you. I like to use the brush first, especially if you want to paint your nails after. And I like to use the brush on my toes, near my cuticles, around the top of the feet, the bottom of the feet. Just really exfoliate, even the skin color, and get the blood flowing. This also preps the skin for the next step, which will be removing all of the callus and dead skin. Now it's time to remove the callus, the dry spots, and the hard areas of your feet. You can use the silver side or the stone side. I find the stone side works better. And remember, you guys could buy this stuff anywhere. It doesn't have to be this little thing that I found. So I really like to go in, spend about a good 2 minutes on this, take your time, really buff out the skin. You'll start feeling it. You can check with your fingers to see how soft it's getting and keep going until it gets nice and smooth. Now, once you're done with those steps, go ahead and dry off your feet, and then we're going to moisturize and do the little overnight treatment. So once your feet are dry, smelling good, and feeling a little smoother after that bath, we're going to go in with this file. So filing it is going to make all the difference. This is the key secret. You want to file away any rough spots, discoloration, dry spots left over, or imperfections on your feet. It's really that simple. And you guys, if you haven't ever done this, you're going to be like, wow, how did I not know about this sooner? Now for the final step, which is moisturizing and healing, you want to go ahead and take those socks, take about 2 to 4 pumps of the lotion and really saturate your feet with the lotion. I mean, like, let it sit, let it be overwhelming, overdo it. And make sure you're getting the heels of your feet, especially the sides, the front, the back. Give yourself a little massage. Really get every inch of your feet because that's what's going to give you extra soft feet in a few hours or in the morning. Now, once you're done with that, you can just relax. I don't recommend walking on them after you do this. I recommend just laying down, relaxing, keeping your feet up. And then another tip is once you're done, you can always add baby powder just to prevent it from sweating or anything gross that you don't need around your feet. So I hope you guys liked this video. Your feet are going to be amazing, soft, beautiful, smelling good, and you're going to be obsessed with them. So I hope you like this. Don't forget to comment down below letting me know how this worked for you and what you want to see next from me, and thumbs up for more DIY beauty hacks and secrets. I love you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications to be notified, and I'll see you in a few days for my next video. Bye!